This is a warning video to all of you out there who have been, enjoying the profits so far. I want to tell you guys something that I always say to you guys. I've said to you guys this in the past, on how crypto works, how to take advantage of the market, how to protect yourself, how to, be in a situation where you are always making money. Even when you lose money, it wouldn't be that significant, right? And this is a moment that I want you guys to pay attention to me very carefully. Everyone is happy that the market is going up. Everyone is happy. Bitcoin is doing well, right? And we have seen so many altcoins out there. Almost all altcoins have pumped. If your altcoin haven't yet pumped, then you have been buying the wrong altcoin, right? So what's the purpose of this video? The purpose of this video is to bring to your attention that something big might happen that will plunge the price of Bitcoin to the downside, or crypto, or something big might happen that will cause the price of Bitcoin to the upside. And what can we expect? We all know that everyone or the market is pumping because of the Bitcoin ETF. Everyone is expecting the Bitcoin ETF to be announced, like approved by the SEC. And we have seen institutional investors are buying in the States, in different places. Big players are coming on board. We're seeing money pouring into the crypto ecosystem. And now, you know, we are looking at altcoins plunging like crazy, crazy. And you guys are happy that, you are making these gains. But guys, you guys are sure that you might not see this gain the next 2 weeks, the next week, or the next day if, say, you don't take out profits. No one has ever gotten broke taking out profits. That's why I recommend you guys to take profit right now. If you are not in profit, you have to take profit or do some TA to see if, say, Bitcoin breaks structure. If, say, Bitcoin breaks structure, then you want to get out from all your altcoins, because as these altcoins move that way, like skyrocket to the upside, the same way they're gonna move to the downside. So you have to create a scenario where if Bitcoin breaks structure and altcoins are plunging downward 20%, 30%, you are gonna be prepared, ready, you know, to buy the dip, because you're gonna be in cash, you're gonna have enough USDT, you're gonna have enough money, in your stable coin, or you're gonna have your money in Bitcoin. You know, you don't have your money in Bitcoin. When you have your money in Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin dip like 30%, I know it won't happen, because Bitcoin is not like any like meme coin out there that can just wake up and dip 30%. Let's say 10%. Then be rest assured that these other altcoins are gonna, you know, plunge downward about 20%. So you have an opportunity now to buy these altcoins that you sold in profit. Right? Let's say, for example, you bought Audi, and Audi has moved more than 1x, right? And you bought Bitcoin. Then you found that Audi has plunged down, let's say 30% after Bitcoin plunged down 10%. You now have the opportunity to buy Audi cheaper, because you've lost only 10% of the gains you made, during that moment. And now you are buying Audi 30% cheaper. So when Audi move again to the upside, let's say 30% or 50%, you make more Bitcoin. So this is the idea of you looking at Bitcoin as a catalyst that gives you the opportunity to buy other altcoin. I would say that having at least about 60% of your portfolio in Bitcoin is not bad at all. Then the rest you can have it. Let's say, if you have 60% in Bitcoin, you can have 30% in stablecoin, then the rest in the altcoins that you play with, right? And these altcoins, you can make more profit with it, and then buy Bitcoin, right? And when these altcoins, plunge to the downside, you can now buy again. Guys, it's simple. If up to now you have not understand that Bitcoin is the alpha in this game, Bitcoin is the player. If Bitcoin is not doing well, this altcoin won't do well. If Bitcoin is moving to the upside, this altcoin will do well. Bitcoin is doing what Bitcoin does, and altcoins always follow Bitcoin along the way. That's why you see the Bitcoin ETF stuff have caused the market to be growing to the upside, right? You see all other altcoins, money is flowing into them because of Bitcoin. So if you're out there and you don't pay attention to Bitcoin, you're not building a portfolio in a way that you accumulate more Bitcoin, then you are risking your investment. You are risking your investment, guys. You can see, wow, it's beautiful. I'm just walking here. You know, it's a little bit cold here in Sweden. You know, like we are in, I think, winter already, even though it's not yet snowing. So you can see I have my cap here to protect me from the cold. But again, I just want you guys to know that, crypto is good if you know what you do, because there are big players, there are whales in this, market that are willing to take your money. These guys have so much liquidity, and they can take you out just like that, just like that. The way they pump it up, the same way they can pump it down. That's why I'm here always to help you guys, to wake you up. Don't sleep on your profit. Cash out the profit. Keep it in Bitcoin. Put it in stablecoin, USDT, or any other coin, or any other stablecoin out there, BUSDT or USDC. But keep part of it there and part of it in Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin keep moving to the upside, right? Let's say after the BlackRock ETF, if Bitcoin keep going to the upside, good. Then you know how it works. You know how the market moves. Money flow into Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumps, then Bitcoin consolidates, then altcoin follows. Of course, there are altcoins that move alongside Bitcoin. I've talked about this on my platform most of the time. I have videos that I've talked about it. The altcoins that I have, known to move alongside Bitcoin. Go and check on them. I have Odi, I have Gala, I have also Solana, Matic, Ethereum. So these coins move alongside Bitcoin and they move big. That means if Bitcoin moves 5%, they're gonna move 10%. If Bitcoin moves 10%, they're gonna move 20%. So you can already see that, okay, if Bitcoin make a huge dip to the downside, and you are seeing some sort of recovery in the market, then you can buy these altcoins, with your USDT. At the same time, you can still buy this altcoin with your BTC, like part of your BTC. Never you sell all your Bitcoin. Always have some amount of Bitcoin in your portfolio so that Bitcoin will tell you what is going on in the market. Oh, I'm breathing. Just climb that hill there. Climbing and talking to you guys is not easy. All right, guys. Actually, I'm learning the language here. So I'm from the language class. I'm learning Swedish language. I wake up early in the morning then now I'm going back home. So yeah, it has been a beautiful moment so far with you guys. The journey. Those of you who haven't yet made money, trust me, be patient enough. You're gonna make it. The game is a lifetime game. We are here for life. We're not here for short term. This is not something that we come in and go out. No, crypto is here for life. And if say you are with me, then I'm gonna encourage you to play it slowly. Don't rush. Take your time, understand the market, understand the game, and play the game accordingly. When you see the big whales in the market, you get in. When you see the whales putting out, cash out profit. You're gonna make money gradually, and when you make money and you make money from one coin and you put it to another coin. That's how you go about it and making more profit for yourself. And before you realize it, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, you have built something really good for yourself. So you can start with any amount, but you make sure you build it. What I mean by building it means, you make profit from your trades, playing around with other altcoins, and also keep buying every month when you have money. Don't just go and buy stuff that you don't need. Always buy stuff you need. So hopefully this advice is going to help you somehow right now and in the future. So hit this advice and you're going to be successful, or at least profitable in this industry. All right, make sure you subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.